Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. So for today's video, we are in a little bit of a different location. I am currently dog sitting right now, but decided this is cute little area we will set up and film a video here today. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some items from Mytheresa, which I've never actually shopped there before. I actually got this as a gift for my birthday this year from my sister. Shout out, thank you Taylor for this gift. But I just thought the packaging was so cute. Like Mytheresa goes hard in the packaging, so I kind of just repackaged everything up so we could do this unboxing together. But before we get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so I've got the box to unbox. It is this gorgeous bright yellow box from Mytheresa, and I think this is kind of their iconic color. You see the yellow box, you know what you're getting. Yeah, so here's the huge box. It is like very nice quality. I did kind of like retie it up just to, you know, give you guys the full experience. But yeah, so we got a big box and a couple items to unbox in here. So go ahead and pull a little string, and then it kind of just opens up this way. So go ahead. Here's the inside of the box. Ooh. Again, this is like pretty big. So here is the inside. I did kind of throw some of the ribbons back on. Like I was saying, like Mytheresa goes hard for the boxing. Like it is so cute, so well thought out, well packed. I even have this little card in here that says who this package has been wrapped by, which is super nice. Like just a little thoughtful hand signed note. Very, very cute. Very thoughtful. So yeah, we got that, and then let's get into the stuff. The first item that I'm going to unbox is actually another Mytheresa box. So I'll go ahead and put this down for now. Alright, and here is the little mini Mytheresa box, which is so cute. It's like the little baby size of the big one. So here it is. It has the little Mytheresa branding on the bow. I don't remember if it was like actually tied like this, but I just thought it was cute, the little bow like this way. Anyways, I'll go ahead and unbox it for you guys. And I'm going to put this back in the other big box. So it's like the exact same design as the big one, where it has these little drawstrings and you can kind of just open it up that way. Again, this is really nice quality. It's kind of like a thicker cardboard, but it's really nice. Feels very luxurious as you're opening it. So go ahead and open that up. Here's our little box. And then inside here, there is another box. So it's just like total box inception happening right now. So here is the box of the actual brand that it came in. So these earrings are from Jennifer Burr. I've never actually heard of this brand, but what the earrings are so cute. Like, spoiler, they're absolutely gorgeous. So never heard of them, but I just already love them. And I think that's kind of the idea of Mytheresa. It's like an online department store where it holds a lot of high quality brands, a lot of luxury brands. I've asked my sister more about it because I've actually personally never really shopped through Mytheresa before, and she said that they sometimes have like exclusives from certain designers that are only held on their site. So I don't know, it seems like a pretty cool site to check out, and I will definitely consider checking it out more after getting this haul for my birthday. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and open up this one. I did already spoil it. They are earrings. It comes in this cute little bag, a little cinch bag with little tassels on it, and then the actual earrings. Oh, here they are. They're these gorgeous pearl earrings. They have like a little double stack on them, 2 pearls. The backing is pretty standard, and although these look like very heavy, they're actually quite light, especially for a style like this. I feel like these would be like uncomfortable on your ear, but they actually are very lightweight, and I did try them on and I thought they're super cute. So yeah, I guess I can just try them on now. So I'll show you guys Unless, am I wearing? Well, I'm already wearing earrings. Okay, let's switch them out real quick. I'll just show you guys one earring. So you can just see kind of like the size of it, because it looks kind of big, but I think it's actually a really nice size. It's like the perfect statement size earring in my opinion. That's still very classy and elegant and not like too in your face. So yeah, this is kind of the sizing on it. Super cute, very pretty, very elegant. The pearls, we love it. So yeah, this is kind of the look, kind of what we're working with here. And it is just so beautiful. They're so classy. They are a bit of a statement, but not too much. Like I was saying, you could probably get away with wearing these like to the office, to work, or to like any formal event. These are gorgeous and beautiful, and especially for summertime, like the pearls, the ocean summer, like it all just goes together in my opinion. So yeah, these little earrings, super cute. Yeah, so go ahead, package these back up, and then show you guys our next item. All right, so little box, going back in the big box. We've got this one, which I attempted to put the bow back on. I took my best stab at it, you guys. Looks pretty nice to me. Gift wrapping is not my thing, but here's the box, and again, it does have the Mytheresa branded little bow on it. I feel like that just adds a little bit of pizzazz to the item. Like when you have the nice little bow detail on it, it's just so pretty. Again, makes it feel like a more luxurious experience as you're unboxing. So really love that. Go ahead and take it off now. So there's the bow, and then here is the actual box from the brand. And again, I've actually never heard of Simkai. I think that's how you say it, how you pronounce it. But I will show you guys what's in here. The box is also very nice. It's kind of this like texture to it. I'll give you guys a close up. Yeah, it's just very nice. It feels very heavy duty. Really good quality. Feels very luxurious, high end. And here is the top off the box. We've got a dust bag, which you know me, I love a good dust bag for my bags. It was so funny. I was opening this and my mom's like, "There's a dust bag. You love dust bags." I'm like, "Thank you for watching my videos." So yeah, there is a dust bag in here, which we love. I get so much use out of these, so love it. This one's also branded. It has the little Simkai branding on it, and the straps of these are like leather, which is kind of nice, kind of cool. Yeah, just again, really high quality. It feels very nice. And then the best part about this is obviously what's in the box. So this is probably the most gorgeous, out of the box, avant-garde item that I now own. Absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10. It pairs so well with the earrings. So let me just show you guys without any further ado what is in this box. And it is this gorgeous shell purse slash clutch. This is literally gorgeous. Like, this is so beautiful. I almost like didn't even want to take it out of the box, didn't want to touch it. It is just a stunning piece, and again, very like avant-garde, very pushing the limits of fashion, and I absolutely love that. I love getting things that are a little bit more funky, a little bit different, and really push the envelope there, because that's what fashion is about. It's fun. So this is so incredibly gorgeous. I'll go ahead and take it out for you guys. Here it is. I still didn't take off all the packaging on it because it's just so pretty, but I guess for a proper unboxing, we go ahead and remove it. Very easy. Very satisfying. That was very nice. And yeah, this is the empty box. You can see it has like the perfect cutout for it. And then here is just a close-up of the purse, the clutch, I don't know what to call it, the shell, a close-up of the shell. And it is just so beautiful. Yeah, just an absolutely stunning, gorgeous 10 out of 10 bag. You can see the little branding plate on the bottom. It does have a strap detail to it, which is this gold chain. If you look closely, it is actually removable, and I've noticed when trying to open the bag, which that was like a very long process of trying to figure it out, and now it's like the easiest thing ever. So if you want to get yourself a little shell bag too, the way you open it is I kind of put my thumb on one of the little hooks that the strap is attached to and a thumb on the other hook, and you kind of just press down and it opens like so easy. We were sitting there like trying not to break it because it's just so pretty, and I was like, I feel like it's close to opening. I see the hinge on the bottom, it has to open somehow, and then we figured it out. So this is the inside, and it's kind of this suede material that is in the purse, in the shell, and it's just really nice and soft. There isn't like a crazy amount of space in here. I have my phone, I'll grab it for reference. Here's like an iPhone. I don't have like a maxi size, just like a pretty standard iPhone, and that fits nicely in there. You could probably fit a little card holder, keys. But yeah, there isn't too much that really fits in here. But also that's kind of like the idea of a clutch. Like, it's not really meant to hold a lot of things, so I think it definitely serves its purpose well. But yeah, it's so cute, and like I said, it goes so well with the earrings. My sister's so funny. She's like, you have the shell and the pearl inside the shell, so the pearl earrings, the shell purse, it's just like a match made in heaven. But yeah, such a stunning bag. Again, definitely not like an everyday wear, although you could run some errands in your shell bag. But no, this is just so stunning. I already know it's sitting on my shelf in my office. Like, you know the shelves. This, look for it in the future. It will be sitting up there. So pretty. And yeah, just a great little Mytheresa find. So thank you to my sister for finding this. Alright, so that was my full unboxing from Mytheresa, trying it out for the first time, getting it as a birthday present. So be sure to leave a comment down below. Have you guys ever used Mytheresa before? Like, am I just behind the times, out of the loop somehow? But yeah, I'm super curious to hear what your guys' experience has been. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.